Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services. This is a video on daily topic-wise news analysis where I'll be covering the news from two important newspapers, The Hindu and Indian Express. So the most important news would be covered on this session, and additionally I'll be supplementing the news content with some important information that can help you in prelims and mains examination. So let's get started with the topic first. Today is 24th of April. The first topic is free food grain extension under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. Second, COVID shield protects against the double mutant virus. So the studies has found that the new mutant virus which is present in India is effectively, the COVID shield vaccine is effective on that. The third, high demand for oxygen train. As we know, because of the cases which is getting surge in India, the demand for oxygen is on high. The second last topic is new vaccine price in India is highest in the world. The Serum Institute of India has revised their prices, because of which it is considered to be the world highest prices. And the last topic, this is an editorial from the Hindu. India COVID crisis when difficult become worse. So these are some of the important news and editorial from today's newspaper. Apart from this, at the end of this session, there would be some current affairs question. This would be the MCQ's question which would help you in the upcoming prelims examination. So let's get started. And before I proceed, we have all India mock test series. Basically a full length test, not a mock. So this is the full length test which you can avail at very nominal price, including the 3 CSAT tests. This is very important for you to practice the CSAT questions, because we have seen the students, the aspirants not qualifying CSAT papers, right? So to ensure that you are getting a surety in your prelims, you should practice a lot more question. And what you have to do, you have to just refer to the description section of this video where I provided the link from where you can register yourself. Now starting with the news, the first is free food grain extension under PMGKY. So after the worst situation that is ongoing in India because of the COVID-19, the Prime Minister, after addressing the Chief Minister meeting, he has decided that they would be extending the free food grain to the poor people. So important for your General Studies paper 2, welfare scheme for the vulnerable section of population by the center and the states. So what has happened actually, because the cases of the COVID-19 is on an increase, and in some state there is a lockdown situation, talking about Delhi where there is a week lockdown, talking about Maharashtra where although there is a week-long lockdown continuing and there's some restriction on the timing. So what central government has decided that they would be giving free food grains to all the poor families under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. And I understand you must have read this योजना, बहुत ही important है. अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा हुआ है तो इसके बारे में पढ़ लें, because a question here and there can be asked in examination. So this scheme is very important. और ये जो facility है, this would be given for 2 months. This is for the month of April, basically for May and June. April is already ongoing, it is about to end. So government ने ये कहा है कि 2 और महीने के लिए इसको extend किया जाएगा and they would be giving the benefit. Now the announcement come after the Prime Minister held a meeting with the Chief Minister, especially for the state which have high cases burden. Talking about Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Punjab, these states are facing a lot more cases compared to other states in India. Now for this particular scheme, Pradhan Mantri गरीब कल्याण योजना अन्य योजना के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने 26,000 करोड़ रुपीस के अलग से एलोकेशंस दिए हुए हैं. Now, in particular meeting that was being held with the Chief Minister, the demand for oxygen was being raised. So some states that are facing the shortages of oxygen include Delhi and Mumbai. तो Prime Minister ने ये assure किया है सारे states को कि they would be using their all resources by mean I include railway and air force. तो Prime Minister ने कहा कि जो भी हमारे पास नेशनल कैपेबिलिटीज़ में जो भी चीज़ें पॉसिबली है ऑक्सीजन पहुंचाने के लिए उसको यूज़ की जाएगी. सो दैट इंक्लूड रेलवे एंड एयरफोर्स. सम ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन आर बीइंग एयरलिफ्टेड टू इंपॉर्टेंट सिटीज़ लाइक दिल्ली. So they would deploy the oxygen from different corner of the country. जितने भी industrial area है, talking about Odisha, talking about Maharashtra, even Jharkhand have some state districts where the oxygen would be airlifted. Now he has asked the state to strictly crack down the hoarding, जो भी black marketing हो रही है ऑक्सीजन को लेकर के, because we see news that many people are hoarding the remdesivir drug, even they are hoarding the oxygen. So इस तरह की चीज़ों की black marketing को check करने की ज़रूरत है, and if people found, they can have a strong punishment to them, right? And Prime Minister has added that center would be providing COVID-19 vaccine acquired to the state for free. So still the clarity is not there, because many states want कि खास करके जो वैक्सीन है वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से फ्री में स्टेट्स को दी जाए. The Prime Minister has also called for a unified approach in dealing with the sources and scarcities. So at this point of time, the center and the state need to be united for the welfare of their citizen. Now in the same meeting it was being argued, and it was being demanded from the states कि जो rate है vaccines की उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा fluctuations है, so there should be uniformity. Yesterday also we had a discussion on the editorial where it talks about one nation one prices. तो कल की अगर आपने videos नहीं देखे हैं, make sure you watch it. Now बहुत सारे states ने कहा है, that include Delhi and छत्तीसगढ़, कि जो vaccine की prices हैं उसको same की जाए, and the procurement for both the center and the state should be done at the same price. So this is what the state has been demanding, and the prices which is coming from the Serum Institute of India, मैं आपको आगे इस पे न्यूज़ भी बताऊंगा. We'll be discussing this in detail as well in the coming part of the slides. तो यहाँ पे कोविडशील्ड की वैक्सीन के बारे में बात की गई है. इनिशियली उन्होंने 150 के प्राइजेस रखे थे, दिस प्लस GST, राइट. सो this was the price which was provided. Now the state government would have to procure it for 400, और जो private hospital है उनको 600 पे procure करने को ये नई revised prices आई हैं. So in that particular concern, the state government has said, and they have requested the central government कि price में uniformity की ज़रूरत है. Now the second news, that is COVID sheet protection against the double mutant. This is a good news that the new mutant variant which is being found in India and the vaccine which is available in India is capable enough to protect against the double mutation. So important for your general studies paper 2, issues related to development and management of health. So एक प्रिलिमिनरी स्टडी रिजल्ट आई है, वहाँ पे ये पता चला है कि जो कोविड वैक्सीन है वो जो नई म्यूटेंट है जिसका नाम है B.1.617. So this is again important for you. So this is something which is called a double mutant strain, and जो हमारे पास जो वैक्सीन है कोविडशील्ड, this is effective on this virus, right? So research was conducted by a Hyderabad-based Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology (CCMB), और उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो वैक्सीन है वो डबल म्यूटेंट के वेरिएंट्स पे इफेक्टिव है. जो कॉन्वेलेसेंट प्लाज्मा थेरेपीज हैं उसमें ये काफ़ी हद तक इफेक्टिव है. Even they're effective on the mutant virus, and they're making जो भी डबल डोजेस के बाद प्रोटेक्शन अच्छी प्रोवाइड करती है. Now this is only the preliminary investigations that the result have come. बहुत अभी लिमिटेड पीपल्स में ट्रायल की गई है, 4 to 5 people in each group, बंचेस में ग्रुप बनाए गए थे, and the organization, basically the CCMB has taken the initiative, and they said जो खास करके जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो अभी भी promising है, and we need to further study it up, right? So the preliminary study suggests कि जो convalescent plasma है offer protections against the reinfection with the double mutant virus. So once you are vaccinated, you cannot be again infected. If infected, you will not have that lethality. And the institute carrying are similar studies using the plasma that people have been vaccinated with the Covaxin. तो दोनों vaccines की efficacy को check की जा रही है. The first is Covishield and the other is Covaxin. तो दोनों vaccines की efficacy को देखी जा रही है कि क्या दोनों vaccines जो दूसरे double mutant virus हैं उस पर कितनी effective है. Now what is double mutation? It is equally important for you to understand what is double mutations. So genome sequencing की अगर बात करें, if you do not know what is genome sequencing, आप briefly YouTube पे एक videos देख सकते हैं. Even 2 to 3 minutes video is there. I'm not attaching this video because that comes to a copyright issue. So आप Google search पे एक general search कर लें genome sequencing, and you can have a 3D images video that is there. So you'll understand what is genome sequencing. So genome sequencing में changes आती है इस virus में. तो यहाँ पे जो खास करके जो sample ली गई थी by Consortium of Genomic Studies, सो दे हैव सेड कि जो 2 म्यूटेशन है, 2 इंपॉर्टेंट म्यूटेशन जो इंडिया में पाई गई है, दैट इंक्लूड E484Q and L452R. So that they were together found in some states like Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab and Gujarat. So sample have been found, UK variant भी इंडिया में पाई गई है, साउथ अफ्रीका की वेरिएंट भी इंडिया में पाई गई है. So far as the global VOC is concerned, they have identified UK variant जो है B.1.7, South Africa B.1.351 and Brazilian linkages has been found .P.1. So these are the 3 important variant that is being found in the states like Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab and Gujarat. Now changes of the challenges हैं क्या क्या डबल म्यूटेशंस की. So the first challenges is like जो spike proteins है. I have told you how spike protein work. If you want to get a more idea, you can just watch the animated video which is there on the YouTube. So this increase the risk of allowing the virus to escape from the immune system. तो जो spike proteins ये भी भाग के निकल जाते हैं and even they are not being identified. And the spike protein is a part of virus that help us to penetrate the human cells, right? So it can easily penetrate. And a presence of VOC is susceptible not automatically means causing the break, but rather suggests the challenges जो public health measures के containment में बहुत हद तक जरूरी है. Even the double mutants जो कि available है, वो reductions in vaccine efficacy, infectivity, combined effective of the biological implication that is yet not understood. So talking about double mutation, we know that the COVID treat is working fine, but definitely we need to have more studies, but we cannot wait. India do not have time where the spike of the cases per day is 3 lakh. This is the documented case. The undocumented case seems to be none less than 5 lakh cases a day. So we cannot make any judgment, but we have to understand the gravity. We need to understand the problem is getting dense day by day. Now, high demand for oxygen train. Basically, all the news that we are discussing today is somewhere linked to the pandemic, right? You can see the 3 news consecutively we have discussed is somewhere related to the COVID-19 virus. So again, this is important for your general studies paper 2, issues related to development and management of health. So what has happened that several states in India is witnessing the shortage of medical oxygen due to the high surge in the COVID-19 cases. और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेट्स की अगर बात करूं, दैट इंक्लूड दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड मध्य प्रदेश एंड महाराष्ट्र. Even Maharashtra also, they are in the high demand of oxygens. The states are turning railway to run oxygen express. This has been decided by government of India that they would be running oxygen express. I'll tell you what is this. So the movement of this liquid medical oxygen on the tanker, right? So जितने भी इंडस्ट्रीज में ज़रूरी थी अभी ऑक्सीजन को, उनको स्टॉप कर दिया गया है and they have been diverted for the medical uses. So states demanding oxygen, as I've told you, states that include Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi, they have been demanding the oxygen because their hospital is running short of oxygen. And at this point of time, they definitely need more and more oxygen. And Delhi demanded the supply that would like to be brought from the Rourkela, Odisha से इसको लाई जाएगी और they are working, the government is working on it. The demand from the Andhra Pradesh is coming between Vijayawada and Angul. उड़ीसा से लाने की बात की गई है. उत्तर प्रदेश, oxygen has to be coming from the Reliance refinery that is in Jamnagar, Gujarat. So these are some of the important states that have been demanding for the oxygens. Now, Oxygen Express की अगर बात करें, recently the government of India has said that by Ministry of Railway they would be announcing to create a green corridor. A green corridor बनाई जाएगी where they would ensure the movement of Oxygen Express train. Now, this Oxygen Express train are to be operated in country handle the issues of shortage of oxygens, right? So this is the image of the Oxygen Express. So actually how it look, you can see the number of truck which is carrying oxygen. This is the medical oxygen that is being given to the patients, which is aligned in the train. So Ministry of Railway is taking all their best effort to ensure कि जिस states में oxygen की ज़रूरत है उनको वहाँ पे transport किया जा सके, right? Moving to the other news, that is new vaccine prices in India is highest in the world. After the price that was quoted from the Serum Institute of India, many state government have intervened and they have asked the central government to take an action and to make uniform of the prices so that across India the prices would be same, right? So they call for the government intervention in the pricing. So the revised price, which was being released by the Serum Institute of India, they are the manufacturing of the Covishield vaccine, and they have set the prices. और ये कही गई है कि जो prices है, these are among the highest in the world. और जो Serum Institute के CEO है, Mr. Adar Poonawalla, he said that the prices by 150 also they were making profit. But what he said कि जो 150 की प्राइजेस है वो गवर्नमेंट को बहुत ही कम टाइम पे देंगे. आप एक चीज यहाँ पे समझ लें, any private firm will definitely make profit out of basically they're working for the profitable business. They're not in government PSUs, right? They're completely sole private companies. And talking about the vaccine share, आप अगर सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में अगर नहीं जानते हैं तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, पूरी वर्ल्ड की जो 60% वैक्सीन है पूरे वर्ल्ड में वो मैन्युफैक्चर करती है सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, राइट? सो दे हैव द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द वैक्सीन्स. एंड अगर कोविशील्ड की बात करें, सो दिस इज डेवलप्ड बाय द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ऑक्सफोर्ड एंड एस्ट्राजेनेका. सो दिस इज अ प्राइस, दिस विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड. मैंने आपको ये पिक्चर दिखा रहा हूँ ताकि आप समझ पाएँ कौन कौन से प्राइस में डिफरेंस है. इंडिया के लिए 600 रुपीज़ रखी गई है जो कि $8 के आस पे है. सऊदी अरेबिया के लिए सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया ने $5 रखा है. साउथ अफ्रीका के लिए $5.25, यूएस के लिए $4, बांग्लादेश 4, ब्राज़ील 3.15, यूके $3, EU 2.15 to $3.5. Then why a country like India, where most of the people are below poverty line, यहाँ पे जो average income है वो काफ़ी कम है, तो इस country में pandemic के time में opportunity खोजने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This price, I'm again telling you, this is for the private people, private hospital. गवर्नमेंट के लिए 400 है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के लिए, एंड फॉर द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट द प्राइस इज 150. व्हाई डोंट गवर्नमेंट गेट टू अ प्राइस व्हिच इज यूनिफॉर्म अक्रॉस द कंट्री, राइट? नाउ प्राइस कंपैरिजन की बात की जाए, द सेम व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड यू इज रिटन हियर इज 400 इज द प्रोक्योरमेंट प्राइसेस फॉर द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, and for the central government there would be 150, right? And it is higher than the pricing agreed by the other countries. I have shown you a comparison जहाँ पे बांग्लादेश, सऊदी अरेबिया, साउथ अफ्रीका से भी ज़्यादा प्राइजेस रखी गई हैं. And in most of these countries shots are being administered for free, government are absorbing the cost. बहुत ऐसे कंट्रीज हैं जिन्होंने वैक्सीन को फ्री रखा है अपने सिटीजन के लिए, बट वाई दिस कैन नॉट बी डन विथ इंडिया? द अदर क्वेश्चन दैट इज बीइंग आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द एक्सपर्ट कि जो पीएम केयर फंड थी, राइट, पीएम केयर की जो फंड थी उसके जो पैसे थे वो कहाँ गए? वाई दैट फंड इज नॉट बीइंग यूटिलाइज्ड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस, राइट? सो व्हाट इज योर व्यू? यू कैन शेयर योर व्यू इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन बिलो. आप अपने व्यूज़ ज़रूर हमें कमेंट में बताएं कि पीएम केयर फंड से ये जो फंडिंग है उसको यूज़ की जानी चाहिए या नहीं की जानी चाहिए. Now, initial vaccine prices, as I've told you, that 150 was the prices including the GST, and this costing us around $2.02, right? However, the जो CEO हैं Serum Institute of India के, they have said कि वो अभी 150 के जो प्राइजेस है गवर्नमेंट को जो सब्सिडाइज रेट पे वो दे रहे हैं वो दैट वुड बी फॉर अ लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, and the company would definitely make profit, but the profit should be sustainable. The prices which is there should be sustainable to the people and it should not cost them more, right? Now, India COVID crisis when difficult become worse. This is an editorial. This is written by Ashish K. Jha, and he's people, they work for the University of School for Public Health in USA. He's a dean over there. So this editorial talks about the failure of the government and how the government has made the things more liberal, because of which the situation is worst in India in present situation. So India is in the darkest day of pandemic. This is what the author has to say, the editor has to say, but still the things may get darker. It has been argued, जो expert है, even जो एम्स के डायरेक्टर है डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया, he said the May would be, we can see the worst May in the human mankind, because the surge that is witnessing in the country is going to be too high. We can have cases none less than 5 to 8 lakh cases daily, right? So if you talk about with one of the 3 infection every people they are having globally, 3 लाख केसेस जो है ये अभी भी कम है, इससे ज़्यादा केसेस बढ़ सकती हैं. and the major reason were the political leader who have made things more slow. They have failed to taking the outbreak seriously. खास करके जिस टाइम पे कोविड हुई थी उसके बाद भी जो रेस्ट्रिक्शन जिस तरह से ईज डाउन किए गए, बहुत हद तक गवर्नमेंट ने इस पे सेंसिटिविटी नहीं दिखाई, जिसकी वजह से दोबारा आउटब्रेक हुई है. Now lockdown are spreading but always one step behind the virus. So जब कोई चीजें वर्स्ट होती है उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट एक्शन लेती है. Now a data gap is also there, talking especially about Delhi, the national capital. Positivity rate जो यहाँ पे है, that has climbed up to 30%. Initially it was only 10%, then it's gradually increased to 15%. Then I have seen that this increased to 23%, and now the positivity rate as of now is 30%. So you can see the surge in the positivity rate. और positivity rate क्या होती है? It is a rate at which people getting tested for coronavirus पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स, राइट. तो जो भी कोविड के पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स उसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस देखने को मिल रही है, वी कम टू नो बाय द पॉजिटिविटी रेट, एंड इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू ग्रास्प द ट्रू स्कोप ऑफ द क्राइसिस. Now fail to contain the virus, definitely this is something which we have to admit. No, we as an individual, as a citizen, have also not adhered to the COVID protocols, right. और जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है वो तो फेल रही ही है, साथ के साथ जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, जो ओवरऑल जो नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट है जो कि सुपरविजन में है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के, दे हैव आल्सो फेल्ड टू कंटेन दिस वायरस, राइट. So the virus has taken advantages over the confidence of the government and the people, and virus mutate constantly. जब virus को ज़्यादा लोग मिलेंगे, जब large population मिलेंगे, तो mutation और ज़्यादा infectious और ज़्यादा deadly और ज़्यादा high हो जाती है. Now India is now facing a renewed epidemic cases. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया जो नई वेरिएंट है B.1.617, this is the new variant which is causing trouble. And in the second wave, the poor political choice, like खास करके अगर बात करें जिस तरह से इलेक्शंस रैलीज हो रही थी वेस्ट बंगाल में, इवन इन आसाम, दिस शोज दैट वी हैव नेग्लेक्टेड द पेंडेमिक समवेयर, राइट. Expanding the access to vaccine throughout the country would be something that would be the need of the hour, and we definitely need to increase the testing. From 1st of May, government is going to have the vaccination for the people of age group 18, right. जो above 18 है उन लोगों के लिए vaccinations होगी. बट देखना होगा कि कैसे ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, बिकॉज इट इज़ बीइंग आर्ग्यूड कि जो वैक्सीनेशंस की जो प्रोडक्शंस है, जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, दैट इज ऑल्सो लेस देन हाउ गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू कंट्रोल द ब्लैक मार्केटिंग ऑल्सो. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Now coming to the MCQs question of the day. The first question is from the Corruption Perception Index. This is also known as CPI. This is not the Consumer Price Index. This is Corruption Perception Index. तो आपको बताना है इनमें से कौन कौन से स्टेप्स करेक्ट है. Corruption Perception Index is being released by the Corruption Eradication Commission, and India has slipped its 6th place to 86 among 180 countries in the Corruption Perception Index. So which among the following is correct? You have to just let me know in the comment section down below. तो कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, बस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में जानी है और आपको वहां पे अपने करेक्ट ऑप्शंस लिखने हैं. Second question, which city in India has recently won the Tree City status? So again you have to choose the option whether it is Indore, Bangalore, Hyderabad or New Delhi. So just choose your answer, write the complete city name, and you can participate in the question answer series. This is definitely will help you in the upcoming prelims examination. Those of you who are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Service on YouTube. If you like this video, do not forget to give thumbs up. If you have any other concern with regards to our series, you can let us know in the comment section down below. Definitely we'll definitely try to sort it out at the earliest, and you can suggest your valuable comments over there, right? For time being, I'm signing off. Wish you all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.